Robert Pattinson is an English actor. After starting to act in a London theatre club at the age of 15, he began his film career at age 18 by playing Cedric Diggory in the fantasy film Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. He went on to star as Edward Cullen in the film adaptations of the Twilight novels, consisting of 5 films between 2008 and 2012, which grossed a combined total of over 3.3 billion worldwide. It brought Pattinson worldwide fame and established him among the highest paid actors in Hollywood. In 2010, Pattinson was named by the Time magazine as one of the 100 most influential people in the world, and he was featured in the Forbes Celebrity 100 list. Robert Douglas Thomas Pattinson was born in London on 13 May 1986, the youngest of 3 children of Claire Pattinson, a booker at a model agency, and Richard Pattinson, a vintage car dealer. He grew up in a small home in Barnes with 2 elder sisters, Elizabeth, a singer and songwriter, and Victoria. Pattinson discovered his love for music long before acting and started learning the guitar and piano at the age of 4. He attended Tower House School, where he at age 12 was expelled from her shoplifting explicit magazines and selling them later to his male classmates. In the summer of 2009, Pattinson became romantically linked to his The Twilight Saga co-star Kristen Stewart. In July 2012, Stewart was photographed having an affair with her Snow White and the Huntsman director Rupert Sanders. The day that the photos were released, Sanders, who was 19 years older than Stewart and married at the time, issued a public apology for the affair, as did Stewart. Pattinson and Stewart split but reconciled in October 2012. The pair eventually broke up in May 2013. In September 2014, Pattinson began dating singer FKA Twigs. They were rumored to be engaged but never publicly confirmed it. The couple split in the summer of 2017. After starring in the romantic dramas Remember Me and Water for Elephants, Pattinson began working in independent films helmed by authors, which earned him critical recognition. He played a manipulative billionaire in David Cronenberg's thriller Cosmopolis, an aspiring actor in Cronenberg's satire Maps to the Stars, an explorer in James Gray's adventure drama The Lost City of Jet, a bank robber in the Safdie brothers' crime drama Good Time, a criminal in a spaceship in Claire Denis' science fiction drama High Life, and a troubled lighthouse keeper in Robert Eggers' horror film The Lighthouse. Pattinson composes and plays his own music. He sang songs for the Twilight film series and the 2008 independent comedy drama film How to Be. Since 2015, Pattinson is the ambassador of the Go campaign, a non-profit organization that raises awareness and funds to help orphans and vulnerable children around the world. He is also a supporter of the End Child Prostitution and Trafficking campaign. Parents and Abducted Children Together is a member of International Medical Corps and has shared details about cancer through PSAS to raise awareness about the disease.